and Mommy. So we're gonna press don't choose the wrong button. A thumbs up if you like it, and then you'll like the channel. Thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe our video. Alright, let's start with Mommy.
Hi guys! Today we're playing Don't Push the Wrong Button! Okay guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Are you ready, Ray Ray?
Yeah!
Okay guys, so this is how to play the game. We got 4 buttons. 2 of those buttons are going to make a noise like... and 2 of those buttons are not going to make a noise, okay? If you hit the buzzer and it doesn't make a noise, then you get a surprise toy. Let's show you all the surprise toys that you can get. You hit the button, it doesn't make a noise, you get one of these lovely surprise toys.
Yeah, you don't peek.
But if it makes a noise, you get nothing.
Like this.
Then you lose, you get nothing.
And like...
Oh! Then you lose and you get nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, shall we play the game?
Yeah!
Okay, let's start the game. Okay guys, are you ready for round 1? Are you Team Raiyah? Or are you Team Mummy? Whose team are you on? Who's gonna win? Team
Raiyah.
Team Raiyah? Team Mummy's gonna win! I'm gonna win the most surprise toys.
I'm gonna win all the surprises!
No, I'm gonna win all the surprises! Okay.
Because I got the white buttons here at the end.
Okay guys, first of all, we need to decide who is gonna go first. So we need to do rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Okay, we haven't started yet. So, are you ready, Raiyah?
Yeah!
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Oh, again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Oh, Raiyah goes by paper! That means Team Raiyah goes first. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay guys, we are gonna have 3 rounds and we are gonna see who can win the most surprise toys. Round 1, let's go! Oh! You got a surprise toy! Okay, you have to close your eyes.
Yeah.
And pick a surprise. Close your eyes. Okay, pick a surprise toy. What did you get? Hatchimals surprise. Okay, Hatchimals surprise. You can put it down there on your side. Hatchimals surprise toy. Okay, next go is my go. Which one's next? Oh, no surprise toy. Oh, no points for me. Okay.
Team Raiyah again.
Team Raiyah again. Go for it. Make a buzz, make a buzz. Go on then.
Oh, why you want me to?
So that I can win the surprise toy. Go for it. Which one are you gonna choose? Okay, so that means, woohoo! A surprise toy. So you hold the bucket. Okay, let me close my eyes and pick what. Are you holding the one you don't want me to get? Okay. Dragon's World mystery figure. Okay. Okay, so that was round 1. Let's get into round 2. Okay, Raiyah, push your button.
I'm gonna do the red.
Okay, push the red button. You get a surprise toy! Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Whoa, you're cheating. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Oh, what did you get? Oh, you got the, show the camera.
Little lunchbox.
Wow, okay, put it in your pile. And it is Mummy's turn. Team Mummy.
Lucky Mummy, what are you gonna get?
Okay.
Instead of the round one?
Okay, I'm gonna pick. Which one's gonna pick? Oh! That means I get a surprise toy.
Close your eyes.
I've got another Raiyah's World mystery figure.
Oh my.
Okay, so that means if we got 2 that didn't make a noise, it's your go. They're gonna buzz. Go on, Ray. They're gonna go, 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 go. No surprise toy. And no surprise toy for me. Okay, let's get into round 3. Okay, guys. Raiyah, your turn to start.
I'm gonna choose the blue one.
Okay. Ah, you get a surprise toy.
Let's shake it this time.
Why not? I'm gonna shake it.
Alright.
Okay, close your eyes. Oh, what did you get? Unicorn power. Unicorn squad. It's Team Mummy's turn.
Without this one.
No, I can't press that one because you pressed it already. So, which one is it? Oh, no surprise toy for Mummy. Okay, Raiyah, you've got 2 buttons to choose from. Is it going to be the red button or the green button? This is your last chance to get a surprise toy. If you press the button and it doesn't buzz, then you win a prize. If you press the button and it makes a noise, you don't get the prize.
Mummy, but alright, the last challenge, if it makes a noise.
No, that's not what works like that. Okay, are you ready? Picking the red or the green? Go for it, Raiyah. Oh, she's changed her mind, guys. She's changed her mind. I don't know which one it's gonna be. You gotta make a choice. Go for it. Oh, you get the surprise toy. That means I lose and I don't get another surprise toy. So, you wanted me to get the surprise again. Oh, thank you, Raiyah. Oh, but you get the surprise toy. Which one do you get? Close your eyes. Go for it. Which one? Oh, you got the squishy delish. Wow. So, we need to pick out all our toys and see what we've won. So, get out the rest of your surprise toys. So I've got 2 Raiyah's World surprise toys.
I got little lucky lunchbox. I got squeezies.
Yes.
I got unicorn power.
Yeah.
I got Hatchimals.
Okay, so you only get to open up 1 surprise toy, and I only get to open up 1 surprise toy. So we now need to pick the surprise toy that we want to open. I don't have much choice. They are the same, but there might be a different figure inside. So I'm gonna choose.
Mommy, but if you could like it, you could swap.
I could swap. Should I swap Ryan's World with one of Raiyah's surprise toys? I'll stick with Ryan's World toy, and I'm gonna pick this one. Okay, so this is my surprise toy that I'm gonna open. What is your surprise toy?
This little.
Okay, so Raiyah is gonna open your little lucky lunchbox. I'm feeling really nice today, guys, and I'm gonna give my Ryan's World mystery figure toy to Raiyah to open for Team Mummy. Can you do that, Raiyah?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to open 2 of the surprise toys. You're going to open the little lucky lunchbox. You're going to open Ryan's World. And you are going to show everybody what's inside the surprise. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one are you going to open first?
Mine.
Okay, you're going to open that one. Okay, I'm going to leave you to open your surprise toys. Let's have a look. Okay, Raiyah. Let's have a look.
Oh my gosh, it's so
So
cool.
cool.
Yeah. What?
Whoa! Wow! Let's have a look.
Oh, let's see what's inside.
Yeah, let's see what's inside.
Oh.
Wow. Can you work out how to open it? See what's inside. Wow!
Oh, I got 2.
Oh, so you've got a pink and blue. Show me.
Oh, wow.
Let's see. What have we got?
Guys, I'm cutting. I can't see what's inside.
Wow.
I love it. I can't believe it. Wait.
Oh, are we getting closer to seeing what's inside, guys?
Yeah.
Wow. What's in your surprise toy? So many wrappers.
Let's get it.
Oh, wow. Let's see. Show.
It's
Spaghetti. Show everybody. Let's have a look. Wow.
Something's in it.
Whoa.
Something's in it.
Something's in the spaghetti.
Let's see what it is. Another one.
What is inside the spaghetti? What is it?
It's another thing.
Oh.
Let's see what the spaghetti gave us.
Okay. Another surprise toy inside the surprise toy.
Yeah, another surprise toy. How good is that?
That is so good.
Yeah, wait.
Oh, what's inside?
Unicorn.
Wow, let me see. Show everyone the unicorn. Wow. How fun is that? Okay, what's inside your other surprise from the lunchbox?
Oh, what? Oh, it's a drink.
A drink? Let's see.
It's a nice drink, high school.
Wow, let's see. Whoa. Yeah, let's have a look.
Let's see what's something's inside it.
You've got something else.
Sticker.
A sticker.
It can go on my thing.
Okay, where are you going to put it? Put it on your juice box? How much fun is that? Wow.
I love this juice.
Wow.
Alright, I'm going to put my coat in my biscuity so
the unicorn cow. Okay, so
Surprise.
Team Mummy surprise, Ryan's World mystery figure. Let's see what's inside. Wow.
Wow. I love this one. Alright, it ripped.
Wow.
Let me see what I got.
What is it?
It's Ryan inside. Let me
Is Ryan in there?
Let me see which Ryan it is.
Yeah, which Ryan is it?
This one!
Which one?
Look at the helmet on.
He's got a helmet.
No.
Take him out. Let's see him.
Yeah, right, let's get.
Looks so fun.
Ryan's on the floor.
He's on the floor.
Got him.
Got him.
Let me see which one it is.
Wow. Let's open it first.
Let's open it first and see what we got.
Let's see him. Oh, hold him up. Hold him up.
And this is what he looks like. I'm going to show you guys.
Okay. Let's see what he looks like. Which one is he?
I can see he's on the back of the seat. Cosmo Ryan, look.
What's he called?
Cosmo Ryan, look.
Cosmo Ryan.
And look where he is on the paper and the thing.
Is he on there?
Yeah.
Wow.
And look where he is. I'm playing my surprise toys. Oh wait, go to lunch. I'm going to lunch. Let's get to lunch. Oh, forget my passport. Oh. Wait for me. Alright, we got packed. Alright, let's go to school. Let's go. But we.
Is he going to school?
Yeah, he's at school now. He's at dinner. I'm not playing. Alright. Time to get your juice. There's something on it. It's a sticker.
Wow.
Alright, let's see what's inside. I can't eat my biscotti. I can't eat biscotti. What is in it? Something hot. There's something in it, Mummy.
Wow.
It's a cow. We'll see what it is. Ah! It's a cow. No, it's Pretty's thing. It makes it juicy, said. Oh, where's my superpower thing? I sure I left it in my box. It's not even there. I think it's missing it. No. It's not even there. I know where it is. Where are you for the bone? Down. Put the lid back on. You can stick it. Put the lid back on for you. Oh my god, let's drink my juice. Alright, let's go back home. Oh, don't forget my cow too. Let's get my superpower. Let's go. tomorrow there's going to be more